Ever wonder how to get the white outline around your VTuber model? I can teach you. Go to the settings in VTube Studio. Go to the second icon on webcam and tracking here. Ignore my webcam face. Scroll down a bit until you see the visual effects. Activate it. Voila, you will have those white outlines. Okay, that was a lie. You have to select the effects. Then go to backlight and outline. I will quickly reset mine to show you how it will look like on yours. Turn the effect on. And then boom! That's not the white outline. We will turn off every single one of those. And then the important part starts here, the outline size. You can make it as thick as you want. Then you simply change the colors to white. And that's it. Okay, done. Activate or deactivate if needed. And that's how you get those white outlines. And that was my first tutorial on how to use VTube Studio. If you liked this, follow me on Twitch and see you next time. Bye bye!